Hey there, future game developers! Ready to dive into the world of coding and game creation? Welcome to Master Scratch Programming. Start your game dev journey. I'm your guide, an experienced developer with over 3 years of Scratch programming and 100+ successful projects. In this beginner-friendly course, you'll learn to create interactive stories, games, and animations, all without writing a single line of code. What is Scratch, you ask? Scratch is a visual programming language created by MIT. It's super fun and easy to use thanks to its drag-and-drop interface and colorful blocks that snap together like puzzle pieces. In this course, you'll learn all the essentials, from navigating the Scratch interface and creating sprites, to mastering movement and animation techniques. By the end, you'll be developing your own games and stories. And guess what? No prior coding experience is needed. Here's a quick peek at what you'll master. Navigating the Scratch interface, creating and controlling sprites, mastering movement and animation techniques, developing simple games and interactive stories. Imagine building your own game characters, making them move with the push of a button, and even creating smooth animations. Sounds exciting, right? Best of all, this course is perfect for beginners of all ages and is priced at just $10. So why wait? Start your coding adventure today by enrolling at https://avmf.gumroad.com/l/amwfbq. Join me and let's bring your game ideas to life with Scratch. Click the link and start creating now. Catch you in the course.